Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the scene. Enable the camera in a second viewport and lock any props or character tracks you won't touch. Once done, set your timeline to the intended FPS and total duration so your keyframes map correctly. Now create a director and a camera clip. This is where you'll place all camera motions. You do this first because a clean timeline prevents accidental edits later, and it gives you a single control track for smooth keyframing. Next, block your camera by placing key poses at narrative beats: wide reveal, medium follow, close-up. Place position and orientation keys at those frames before refining any curves. Then switch interpolation types per segment. Use linear for sharp cuts and Bezier for organic arcs, and edit tangents to avoid jerkiness. Add focal length and depth of field keys alongside motion. Changing focal length during a move sells speed and focus. Finally, refine with the graph editor. Smooth out curves, reduce acceleration spikes, and remove micro jitter by adding small anchor keys where needed. Enable motion blur and set the shutter angle to match your intended look, then run medium quality test renders to verify timing and exposure. If you see jitter or popping, bake the camera transforms into a new clip or increase sampling. Also inspect other animated tracks for conflicts. Once satisfied, render final frames with your chosen codec and archive session files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.